What's up, y'all? Welcome to Poseidon Analysis. For every new video watched, it's another video made. We finna get into this, man. I reacted to this guy yesterday, in fact, and he was hilarious, for real. He did a hilarious video. And, I mean, there's another... When did he drop this, actually? Hold on. Okay, he dropped this 1 month ago. Alright. So I'm a little late to the party, but it's cool. Video's a video. But you already know why I clicked it. I mean, partially is the reason why I clicked it. Partially the reason why I clicked it is because, he's a funny guy. Most of the reason I clicked it is because, bro, well, you looking at it right now. And I don't got to tell you what it is. You already know what it is. If you a girl or you a guy that's viewing this video, you already know why I clicked it. Enough said. Nothing else has to be said, bro. Enough said. Anyway, we finna get into this. This is, the title of the video, Picking Up Girls with a Remote Control Car. Never seen anything like that, but I guess. Let's get into it.
Hey, what up, pimps, pimpettes? Today, what I'm gonna be doing with this little remote control thing is, I'm gonna be pulling up to these girls and shit, making their days a little better, gonna be delivering little, notes and shit, like, you see that shit, pimp? You fun as hell, with a little, kiss on the back, you know what I'm saying? And then hopefully I get a number or some shit afterwards, I'm gonna take that shit back. And then I got a little special guest with me, so y'all gonna see him too, you know what I'm saying? Mexican Jose. Alright, let's get to the video then. Make sure to drop a like.
Alright, let's be serious, y'all. You know damn well you saw that. You know damn well you saw that note, girl. Don't even lie. You know damn well. Just pick up the note. These girls, man. Well, no, not these girls like that. Like, bro, I know exactly what kind of, like, demeanor she got already. Like, I know exactly the kind of girl she is, bro. Stop doing extras. Pick up that note. You don't. Let's rewind. Let's see if she made eye contact. Bro, I'm rewinded to the perfect spot. Like, bro, you're literally making eye contact with. Bro, you see that note. Did she do a... Hold on. She kept staring at the remote control car as she already had the box in her hand. You definitely saw that now. 1,000%. Bro, ew. I just made some tea. And I think I left a part of the tea packet in that cup, bro. That was ill. I was enjoying my drink until then, too.
She Snapchatting that hoe, you already. She Snapchatting that hoe, you already know. She on Snapchat. Hey, happy Valentine's Day. Hey, you know pimping ain't easy, but we do it. But yeah, hope you like it. Yeah, keep the note.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, hope you have a good rest of your Valentine's Day.
You too.
I like the bag too. Is that real?
It's,
The Louis Vuitton bag?
no, but I don't know.
Yeah, Nobody gonna know, you know what I'm saying? I got that fake Gucci shit all day. Nobody know that shit, but yeah. What's your name again?
Madison.
Oh, nice to meet you. Brian.
Brian, nice.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But hope you have a good rest of your Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you got a boyfriend or something.
I do.
Let me get this shit back. Fuck that, man.
Oh man, that's hilarious. This dude said, "Let me get that shit back, bro." That's messed. That's messed up.
You like my little present?
That's you.
Yeah, that was me. Who the hell else you think that would be? Shit. You know what I'm saying? Pimps gotta do it big on Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Today.
Brian. Shit, nice to meet you. Hope you have a good Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. What you got going on later?
I'm about to go home.
Shit, that's it? You don't wanna go on a little Valentine's Day dinner?
I'm going to Dallas.
Oh, shit, me too.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm going to do this with my family.
Oh, shit, for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Man, they tripping. Shit, when you free? We gotta make something happen.
Just text me.
All right, let me get your number then.
214.
Hold on. Let me get that. 214. Hold on, 22. Okay, you put it in there, because, you know what I'm saying? I'm stupid. Yeah. Goddamn. Hell yeah, all right, I'll text you. And then you'll spell your name, Janae. Janae. Oh, you didn't put the last digit in there.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Nah.
Hell nah, shit, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, at least put a full number. Like, how you give a fake number, but you miss one digit? Like, bro. Like, everybody should know how many digits a number has. 10, bro. 10, right? Hold on. Yeah, 10. Straight up. Everybody should know that. Like, the only reason I was second guessing myself just now is because I'm recording a video. Like, I gotta get it straight on the video, but 10, bro. Like, you feel me?
Yeah, all right, but yeah, I appreciate it. I hope you enjoy that.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. You fine as hell. Shit. Hold on. Hey!
Yes, sir.
I just want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all,
thank you,
pimp.
man.
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Okay, appreciate that.
Yeah,
Thank you.
for sure, man. get that shit back. Hold on.
This guy is funny for real. Hey, you know what, man? To be real, she deserved, like, bro, you was a little too quick to throw out that boyfriend line. Can you calm down, bro? You have a boyfriend, bro. Give him about. I'm glad she got it done to her. Like, for real, you threw that out just a lit. Like, bro, can he say a sentence first? Like, before I have a boyfriend. Like, you got a boyfriend, but you don't got no present. You took that right back. You don't got no kisses candy. These girls be quick, bro. I ain't never had no girl say that quick to me, bro. But that just never happened. Yeah, she deserves something for that. She feeling pretty stupid. Bro, she feeling pretty stupid. Look at her face, my guy. She don't know what to do. She thought he was gonna stay to say some more dialogue. Nah, bro, he got up. You had your chance, girl. You had your chance. You had it. And you know damn well you don't got a boyfriend. Where you ain't got a boyfriend. I don't believe that. You studying inside a coffee shop or whatever and stuff. You ain't got no boyfriend.
Hey, wait.
Yep, this is where we came from. This is where we came for. Booty looking regular right now. I don't know. It's looking right. It was looking a little better in the thumbnail, bro. I don't know. Let's see.
What's your name?
Riley?
Hey, hold on real quick. I had something for you for Valentine's Day. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, she ain't got nothing. She was wearing, I don't know. It was just more visible because of the pants. She ain't got nothing.
A little Valentine's Day present for your ass. Yeah, damn. You been working out? God damn. You already know you got ass. But yeah, I got you.
White boy's definition of ass. That's crazy. You funny, dude, but that's enough said.
Just for Valentine's Day?
Did you actually?
Yeah. I just want to make your day better.
That's so cute.
Yeah. My name Brian, by the way. I'm white though.
It's okay. Me too.
Oh, for real?
I like this thing too.
Oh yeah, I was gonna mess with some dudes with that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's funny.
A lot of ugly dudes on this campus. You feel me? But for the girls, you know what I'm saying? I'm nice. Damn, bust.
Very nice.
But yeah, you got like a Snapchat or some shit?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Shoot. Damn, Snapchat up in this. Yeah, put your Snapchat. I got you. I'll hold that for you, girl.
Thank you.
Shoot, let me see that.
Oh my god, I can't spell my own last name.
It's all good.
There we go.
Cool. Oh, there we go. That's beautiful.
She feeling him though. She feeling my guy. Like, she feeling him though. Ain't brushed the arm off the shoulder yet. Like, she feeling him. Enough said. This is my guy. Like, I'm happy for him.
All right, cool. Yeah, what you got going on tonight?
Don't know yet. Maybe go to Fry Street.
Where's that?
It's like right up there.
Yeah.
It's like where the bars are and stuff.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get back to what I'm doing, but you smoke?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I can tell.
Bro, I think was she just checking him out? Did she do what's it called? A stare down and up.
Okay, cool. Well, yeah. Shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get back to what I'm doing, but
She checking him out. She right now, I don't know. Right now, I think she checking out to see how tall he is. She like that. She like that tall. She like that height. She like it. That's what I'm saying. That's my guy. Like.
You smoke?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, I can tell. You just got that look like you smoke, not cigarettes, but the gas. What you smoking? What you be smoking? Like, what kind of trees you be smoking? That Granddaddy Purple, that Indica,
Everything.
that Indica.
Whatever my dealer supplies me.
Oh, yeah, I go to the dispensary. Yeah, I live out the Bay Area.
Oh.
Bay Area. White boy, though.
I can't wait to leave and go.
Yeah, you gotta go out to the Bay Area. They got the best hyphy shit, you know what I'm saying? That shit'll get you.
I can't.
You be saying, oh boy, you be staring at the ceiling.
It's like,
One time I was on the phone, talking to this, you know what I'm saying? When I get high, I be talking to any girl.
Yeah.
Like, I be talking to this ugly ass girl.
Oh, damn. That's crazy, bro. You gotta, when it comes to girls, when you got the end, when you know they feeling you, at least in some type of way, don't blow yourself out of the water. After that moment, just because they feeling you, like they checking you out, they like definitely like it, they wanted to give you their number. Just because you got through that, don't mean you in the safe zone. Okay? It don't mean you safe. You still gotta watch what you say. You still gotta watch what you do. You still gotta tread how you talk. Like, you still gotta be cautious. What he did was not good. It wasn't good. It was like, what he did was he said that, yeah, man, I was talking to girls. The fact of the matter is, girls want to hear, like, they don't want to hear it, but it's a turn on for you. It's a turn on for them when they hear you talk about how you do have girls in your life, like that you can get a girl, you know. That's a turn on for them. That makes them want you even more. But you say it at a specific time. I think his timing was bad. You don't say that after she feeling you and after she willingly, like, gave you her number. Like, you chose the wrong time. You don't gotta say it anymore. You won her over. You don't gotta say it anymore. It's done. It's a wrap. Like, bro, my nose, man. I just woke up, man. Allergies, dude. I never used to have allergies before, too. I started developing them when I was in high school. Anyway, yeah, man, wrong time. And then his second mistake was, you said, yeah, I was talking to this ugly girl. Bro, don't say ugly girl. Like, now she thinking, okay, now it's a good chance that she's thinking, oh, so the only girls that you can talk to are ugly, though. What does that say about you? Bro. Damn, man. I was rooting for my guy too. Like, he screwed up though. He screwed up. I mean, he messed up. Let's not say he screwed up. It still might go somewhere. You know, she still could be feeling him to the point where she'll, you know, shove what he just set aside. Man, let's see how she act now though.
you fell asleep on her?
I fell asleep on a bit. I mean, I don't really care because she ugly. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna but I put the work into you, you know what I'm saying? You fine as hell. I'll talk to you every day, every minute, every second.
God.
I'll answer every call. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up, pimpin'? All right.
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Oh, my God, you so fine.
Thank you.
it? You like one surprise?
Oh, that was you?
Sí, that was me. Hola, ¿cómo está?
Muy bien, ¿y usted?
Good, good, yeah. Well, I was saying this because you wanna be my margarita? See?
Sorry.
Okay, well, you see that?
Yeah.
Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, give me back. No good. Thanks. Sí, look. Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola, ¿cómo está?
Hi.
Very good. I gave you one note as well. You think you can read it?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Sis, read.
You look like a fresh taco.
I love. See, give me one hug for you. That's for you. I love you. You have it one.
I looked down for a second, but did I come in the nick of time? Did I just see what I thought I saw? Did she shove his face?
You look like a fresh taco.
I love. See, give me one hug for you. That's for you. I love you.
What the hell was, bro? She didn't shove the guy's face, but she definitely didn't want that hug. I've never seen something like that in my life. Bro, I've never seen that before. I've never seen something like that in my life. Like, I think that was a I want to shove you, but I also don't want to be that messed up. Bro, she really did him like that. Like she was in a defensive position. She was in a I'm ready to like turn it up on you in case you try to attack me position. Like, that's crazy.
Have it one day.
Yeah.
See, that's good. Cause if not, I could have been one. See,
Thank
see.
you.
All right, you have a one nice day. See, I love you. It's me. Hola, ¿cómo está? You look at one beautiful girl. See, what's your name?
Nikki.
Notice how you got a whole like freaking viewing show right to the left, like 5 girls like viewing him, 4 or 5. He got a whole audience.
Well, good. It's for you. It's happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you.
Okay, it's okay.
Me and more. My love, my guy.
You read that?
That's so sweet.
What did he say?
It says you're so beautiful.
And then in the bottom,
It looks like Spanish.
mi amor. Sí, my love. Sí, okay. You have a good night, good day. Sí. Hola. Sí. Oh my goodness. You look like the sunset. See,
Thank
I was
you.
just watching the sun right now.
She do look like a sunset. Straight up, dude. Like, straight up. I wonder how tall she is. Bro, I can't mess with no tall girl, man. I am not that tall. Bro, I am average height. Bro. My girl, I'm sorry. She pretty much got to be short. Like she can't be average. Well, no. Oh no, average for a girl is short. Yeah, never mind. She can't be guy average. Hell no. She can't even be like, bro. She can't even be almost my height. And you want to know the reason for that? The main reason for that is high heels, bro. I hate high heels. I hate it. For average height guys like I am 5'8". For average height guys like me, high heels are the devil. There are some guys who don't like they really don't be caring that they girl is taller than them when the girl wears high heels. Some guys don't even be tripping that their girl is taller than them just naturally, bro. Y'all some different kind of creatures. Like, bro, I'm not saying that's bad or good. I'm just saying that I can't do it. Therefore, you different from me. Like, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. I'm sorry. She gotta be short, bro. Like, she gotta be short. Simple. Like, I'm sorry.
And you just look like it. Very bright and beautiful.
Thank you so much.
See, I want to give you something. See, you like tacos?
I do love them.
Okay, well, I love that. I love it too. But I'm going to give you this
Thank
for
you.
Valentine's.
Can I put you on my Snapchat?
See, all right.
Yeah.
See, I give her because she looks like one sunset. See, well, I love you.
Thank you.
See,
Have a nice
you too.
You know what? You know why I want. Why are you leaving without a number or anything, bro? I don't understand how he most likely did that out of fear. He was too shy to go all the way. He was too shy to go to the finish line. He was too shy to ask for that number, bro. Why do guys do that to themselves? I know you scared. Every guy who talks to a girl, like there is whether they are good at hiding it or not, every guy feels fear when it comes to talking to a female, like talking to a female that you've never met. It's a natural reaction. It's how we're designed. But you got to be able to ram past that, man. You got to be able to go to the finish line. At least ask for the number. Why are you bailing out so early? This is not charity. You literally just did a charity move. You literally gave her a gift with not, like, you didn't even try to get a number. Bro, why are y'all doing, this is not charity. And only you have this, only you can be able to decide if you want it to turn out like that or not. Like, guy, I'm talking to you right now. The dude who just did not go all the way. I know you scared, man. I know it's tough. I know you're intimidated. This is a cute girl. How can you not be intimidated? I understand. But you gotta go all the way, man. Why do that to yourself? You want to live a happy life or you want to live a sad life? Like, bro, we need girls in our life. We are men. Do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Enough said.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Hola. Sí, do you know where's what's that called? The classroom? C7?
C7?
Sí.
Do you know what building?
Look.
Do you know which building?
I love you.
Oh,
Sí.
that's it?
Sí, I love you.
Gracias.
Sí. Can I get your number?
Yeah, do you have
Sí,
your phone?
sí. I have it right here. I really think you're really pretty. See,
Thank you.
see, I just got my USA citizen, and I want to talk English, whatever.
Yeah.
See, and I just want to make new friends, and maybe you can be my girl. Maybe, see.
Me llamo Crystal.
Crystal? Okay. It's good. And happy Valentine's.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Nice
Take care.
meeting you.
I love you. I'm just kidding. We're just filming a funny video. Yeah, like giving girls stuff for Valentine's.
Bro, this is my first time hearing him talking regular. I knew he didn't talk like that. I said it in the last video I posted of me reacting to one of his videos. I knew that's not how he talked. Bro, come on now. Oh, man. That's crazy.
That's it, but now you can keep it.
Is that?
Yeah, right there, yeah. All right, I hope you have a good rest of your day.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I figured it was something like that.
Yeah, it's just we're just giving chocolates for Valentine's for
that's
girls.
sweet.
Yeah. All right. Have a good day. We're just doing a prank.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just a prank. Yeah, we're not. I don't talk like that or I don't dress like this.
Yeah, that was amazing. Execution was great.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Happy Valentine's though.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Hey, video. I'm just fucking around. Yeah, we're just filming a funny video. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Thank you.
That was a good video. Damn, bro, how long, bro? That was a good video. Like, that was a good video. For real. I enjoyed, like, the whole 16 minutes of that. Anyway, though, that's it for this one, though, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Terrence, a.k.a. Poseidon, a.k.a. Poseidon Analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.